In this video, I will show you how you can enable or disable lending on Bitvavo. So from our home tab, we're going to click on the profile section at the top right. And right now we're going to scroll down, and under rewards, we see staking and lending, and we're going to click on lending. So in here, you need to click on enable lending if you are sure. But before you do that, you can also select the assets you have, and then you can see what the commissions will be. But I want to say that when you enable lending on Bitvavo, you are allowing Bitvavo to lend out your digital assets to third parties, and in return you earn interest on your holdings. So there is some risk involved in this because the borrower can always default. However, Bitvavo tries to mitigate these risks, but there is no guarantee that your assets will be safe. I have to say that it is really flexible though, so you can enable or disable lending at any time, and your assets will remain accessible when you need them. So I'm not giving any financial advice, I'm just telling you what the risks can be. And if you want to get started with Bitvavo and you don't have an account yet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get a nice welcome bonus and to receive some free cryptos. So I hope this video helped you out. If so, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.